Fiat Chrysler is demonstrating new execution additional items for the 2018 Dodge Durango R/T and SRT models at the Chicago Auto Show, including the well-known Dodge double focus stripes and another Mopar fumes framework. The 475 torque SRT display, which is controlled by a 6.4-liter Hemi V8, will likewise offer a bringing down spring pack and a carbon fiber instrument board. The Mark II stripe treatment covers the 3-push SUV from the front to raise belt and is custom fitted to the Mark NACA channel hood vent. It'll come in 5 distinct hues: splendid blue, fire red, gunmetal low gleam, metallic complete, low shine dark and sterling silver, and retail for $1,195 beginning in March. Mopar built up its new Dart on execution fumes frameworks with Dodge SRT architects and creators to enhance stream and accomplish that sweet solid. It includes a chromium 304 stainless steel development to make it more impervious to consumption, with stainless steel band-style clips and welded and cleaned 4-inch tips. It costs $1,595 for the Durango R/T and is accessible at this point. On the SRT, the cost goes up to $1,850, with the bundle accessible in the second quarter. New Mopar springs enhance the Durango SRT's fast cornering security and consistency by bringing down the SUV a normal of 15 mm, or 0.6 inches. They were produced with restrictive Dodge SRT information not accessible to the secondary selling to tune the bringing springs down to the industrial facility dampers, giving the vehicle less backside squat amid increasing speed, less crash while braking and lessen body move on corners. MSRP on the bundle, which is accessible now, is $325. For just shy of $2,500 you can get the SRT interior appearance group bundle, which includes a premium wrapped carbon fiber instrument board and entryway bezels, Dynamica delicate touch main event and emphasized paint on speaker trim rims.